Hello everybody. You've probably noticed I'm actually got another account on YouTube because I had a bit of a disaster this week. So on Monday I upgraded to a new iPhone, transferred everything over, which I thought was really simple. It's never happened, it's never been a problem before. Everything was working fine on social media. Woke up Tuesday morning to find that my Facebook account has been disabled, and trying to get through to someone or find an email address for Facebook to try and recover my account has been an absolute nightmare. I've tried all week, and the reason why I want it back, because people have been saying, well, why don't you just set up another account? It's not as simple as that, if I'm honest with you, because I've got loads of photos on there of like my kids when they were younger, or family members that are no longer with us, you know, just pure memories that are on there. And also my business is also linked to the account as well, so I get a hell of a lot of recommendations and stuff, and I just feel like I'm missing out on so many recommendations and stuff. But I'm hoping people are savvy enough to kind of try and find me by other means, if I'm honest with you. So yeah, it's been a bit of a nightmare. I've tried disabled at fb.com, abuse at fb.com, support at fb.com, what was the other one? And there was another one at fb.com. So I've tried a lot. I've had a family member get on their Facebook page and try and ask for support via their Facebook page. There's no response. I've been on my other social media accounts, tagging Facebook and Meta for just some kind of help, and there's just nothing. No one is responding to me from Facebook or Meta, and it's really ridiculous. You know, a huge company like that, they don't give a toss about us little ones, and yet we're the one that makes their lives a lot better because of all the accounts that we have. Anyway, that's my little rant over from this morning. So yeah, so my Google, my Bull and Loft 2 account that was also linked to my Google account has somehow disappeared, and I just can't find it. It's there, you know, you can still find it, but I can't find how to log back into it, which is mental. Anyway, so I've had to create another one, so here it is. So anyway, that's enough of me rambling on. It's a lovely day. The wind is right up their arse today, so we're expecting them hopefully just before 12 noon today. They liberated from Weymouth this morning. I think it was about 10. Was it 10 o'clock they left? Yeah, 10 o'clock this morning they left. So it should be about a mile a minute, right up their arses. We should have a good race. I am worried about the Weymouth today's race, if I'm honest with you, because last year we had a big impact and we lost a fair few pigeons last year. There's a lot of hawks around there, so it is quite worrying. I really hope that our team can, you know, get past those hawks, and you know, I'm hoping by liberating at 10 o'clock, the hawks have had their breakfast, then they'll leave all the pigeons alone. That's what I'm hoping for. So yeah, so it should be all right today. The pigeons felt really well yesterday at the club. Well, they felt well all week, really, if I'm honest with you. They're a good team. So yeah, I think that's all I've got to say for at the moment. So I'll obviously do my bit. So please just like and follow this account now. Just press the subscribe button and you'll get notifications of when I upload, and generally it's around the Sunday, which is when, you know, after the race, so I've got all the results as well. So fingers crossed we'll do well again this week, like we did last week. We smashed it last week, and the Fed. So yeah, so keep posted. Bye. Oh, and if anyone does know how to get into contact with Facebook, there's got to be someone out there. You know, I know these videos or my other ones went worldwide, so there has to be someone out there that can help me get my disabled account back up. I need the help, please, 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 please. Thank you.
Hey, what?
Get ready, man. Get ready.
Yeah.
Good. Get ready now. When they come right now. No. There's no young there.
Look at this lot.
Are they all old ends?
No babies as well.
There's babies in there as well. Good, 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 good. Okay, now.
Get up. Get up.
Check your clock, babe.
Fish. They ain't no good. The bats come out of here.
There they come from, there, don't they?
Yeah, but then the other group seem to be here.
So the reason why they're going into 2 lofts is because we've got young birds and old birds. The old birds went as trainers. So that's why they're going into the 2 different lofts.
Fucking poor pigeons here again.
Can you check, make sure they're all clocked in? Like you've got the right amount of pigeons on that clock that's clocked in.
They come there though.
Yeah, I think so. I thought they would say 12.
Yeah, the one. Mealy, I think, whatever it is, red.
I mean, that must have been 44, 11:44.
Right. Yeah, another group up above.
Another couple. 3.
Bit messy, isn't they? Oh, yeah, you I'll bucket on there in a minute.
Oh, it's gold ring.
Wait, Russell, whistle. Whistle.
Come on. Here's your gold ring. Free bra.
That one didn't clock in. Didn't go off.
Hold it.
I can't hear them clocking in. I can't hear the machine going off. They're coming in and out. They're walking around in there, that's what it is.
What?
Come on. Yeah, no, 4. 5.
Oh, they're fast. Five.
There's a fed winner. 2 more up high. Yeah, look at this one. Yeah, look. Don't to your left, to your right.
Yeah, oh, look at that. Oh, look at them, look. They're high.
Oh, they are right. Everywhere.
Yeah, another 3 group up top. 5.
Yeah, look at them, look at this.
Yeah, just up, yeah.
Oh, wow, yeah.
She's right.
Oh, no, not ours. There's another couple.
Some of them are not yours, are they?
There's a couple more coming in. I want to leave them up here, babe.
Yeah, oh, look, look at that. I can twist your neck, look at that.
Yeah, I know, it does. I'll see if I can film them from... Yeah, the wind is, yeah. Doing well. So, are these my free?
No, that's one of them.
Oh, so this is my £300 Thames. What is it? Gold breeder buyer. Gold.
Breeder buyer, but you bought the ring.
Yeah, Thames breeder buyer, but I brought the ring. So that's that one there. He was one of the first. And which one? So I'm doing really well at the moment. We just need this little beauty to come in on the actual breeder buyer or the Thames Guernsey race. That's what I need, and then I'll win. Oh, I shall win loads of money. That'll pay for me Thailand holiday for Christmas. And where's the Cheeseman one? Pointing it out?
Yeah, no.
Oh, is it? They're still bleeping in there, aren't they? So I just want to show you the fed winner from last week. There she is. There she is.
Going to focus. But when I want winners. You ain't won that, have you? You ain't going to play around, look. Not going to race an end like him. That's your first one. That's your breeder bar.
Where? Show me which one.
It's Cheeseman.
Is it? Which one? Babe, I don't know what a mealy is. Is it the brown one?
The brown.
This one at the back there. That's me winner. That's the first pigeon in today. Yeah? Pigeon, where's he gone? Pick up the £20 pigeon. So put,
Come on.
Oh. Oh, is that Hopalong? Oh, I do feel for her. She's always here. She's always here, isn't she? Yeah, we're talking. We're talking. You've done well today. You all done really well today. You missed those rotten hawks. You've had a good flight. Hopefully you've done a good job. Some come back last week with some of their toes missing as well. Good little team we got here. This is the one. First one in today. This one in it, Pidgey. Oh, I got that fucking wrong. Oh, I thought it was a mealy that came in. Yeah, that's the first one in today, wasn't it? Oh, see, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Well done. This is my Cheeseman's breeder buyer, isn't it? This one. Look at that. Stunning pigeon I can pick out, I'll tell you.
Where's that come from?
Cheeseman.
Oh, Cheeseman.
Pidgey wasn't keen on them when they were a baby. I got two. I bidded two on the breeder buyers. And this is one of them. First today.
Not like added, you don't?
Unfortunately, it done the result. They duplicated it.
Don't talk stupid.
But anyway.
Top of Shirley Hills here looking down. It's fucking, I'm right in the dip.
Trinity's top of Shirley Road.
Yeah.
He's 150 yards further up there. That's Addiscombe. That's where he lives.